Today I wanted to share with you the beautiful restoration done by Stian of my pocket watch Pavel Bure. This watch is over 100 years old. This is how it looked like before the restoration, and Stian has done a fantastic job restoring it. This is how it looked like on the back of the watch. It says Pavel Bure, the supplier of His Majesty Court. So when I contacted him, he agreed to take the watch for the maintenance. And here you can see his channel. It's called Vintage Watch Services, and here's the video where he received my watch and opening the package, and then goes on restoring it. Yeah, he shows how it looked like before the restoration, and in a second, here it is. You will see how it looked after the restoration. There it is, before and after. I think it's absolutely remarkable. This is how the movement looks like of the restored watch, and yeah, and the back of the watch. This is the now brand new timepiece, and that was him showing that, and this is already me filming the same watch here at home. This watch is over 100 years old. It was made at the beginning of 20th century, somewhere between 1908 and 1916, and it went through two world wars, and was never maintained, never went through any maintenance. And now, after the restoration, as you can see here on the time grapher, it performs quite beautifully. -2 seconds per day, 222 degrees altitude, beat air 0.8 millisecond, and 18,000 beats per hour, 40 degrees lift angle. And this is now the back of the watch. Again, says Pavel Bure, the supplier of His Majesty's Court. And here it is, and the front of the watch. I think it's looks absolutely fantastic. I never even dreamt about anything as good as that. The watch looks like brand new almost. Stian even had to fabricate a brand new minute hand. As you can see here, it looks all original, but that hand was completely fabricated from scratch. And if you go to his video of restoration of this watch, I will leave that link in the description below. You will see how he fabricated that hand. That was absolutely amazing how he managed to fabricate a brand new hand.